Our project is about the amusement park application. So we have developed two applications for the user and for the admin. Um, so the user and admin, both of the application are connected to the same database. So whenever admin need to change any data for the user, he doesn't do go. He didn't have to go to the database every time. He can just log in here, enter his credential in the login application, and then he can change the data of the restaurants, shops, and users. So, and at the in the user application, we have integrated. There is a information of our park. Uh, so we have implemented map view this time for which will show the uh, uh, park address, and it and the information will provide for the user in the iPark info is shops, restaurants, and the rides. Uh, in the restaurants, we also provided the menu for the user and the location of the restaurants. So, for an example, if uh, admin need to put a new restaurant into the restaurant for the user, can just add the restaurants from his application. Restaurant name, restaurant location, category of that restaurant, the cuisine, and the contact information, and the photo from the database. So as you can see, we have added brand new restaurants to the application. You can we can also add the menu to that restaurants by from the database. So the menu of that restaurant is now updated, and the location will be the same. And the we can also uh, add the shops, the photo. Now you can see the shop we just have added, and the information of that shops like location and category.
Mhm.
And yeah, we have also added the user at the admin side, so admin can go through the users and their details. We will see the user adding. We will see the user information in just a second. Yeah.
Okay, and Other tabs in the user applications are Home tab, Buy Tickets tab, and My Profile tab for the user itself. Home tab is nothing but the home screen, home picture, and two buttons, basically one for buying tickets and other one for Explore Park, which leads us to the same page as Park Info. So another tab is for buying tickets. Uh, in this tab, there are basically two categories which lets you buy tickets. First is the single ticket, single entry ticket, and second is the yearly pass. Okay, the first ticket, single entry ticket, lets you buy ticket just for a day, which is valid just for a day. For this ticket, you have to enter a valid date, let's say 17th May, and number of tickets, let's say three adults and a children and a child. Say proceed. You enter your email address, let's say, and yes, that's it. It gives you a completed ticket. It says a single entry ticket, your date, and a number of guests in that ticket. Now, second category of ticket is the yearly pass. For this, to buy this ticket, uh, you have to essentially sign in because for this ticket, your identification is required. So you cannot buy this ticket unless you are a registered user. So for that, we have to log in. Let's say we create a new user just for the demo. We say new user is Tim Cook and his address is tim@yahoo.com. And we give it a password. So yes, account for Tim Cook is created. Now when we go back to the yearly pass tab, this tab is unlocked and Tim can now buy a yearly pass. We will just have to do a checkout and confirm details. And yeah, there you go. Now, Tim can look his yearly pass, which is valid from 11th of May, that is from today to 10th of May, 2021. So yeah, this is his yearly pass. Whenever he wants to enter the park, he just have to show this, and this is good for a year. Same way, when he, as a registered user, since he's logged in, he when he buys a single entry ticket, let's say it's just one person, just him, he confirms. So when a registered user bought this ticket, he can see that ticket, that very ticket in his account. But when a non-registered user buys this ticket, he has no way to access that ticket again. So, and well, you can see that new user in the user on the admin side also. There is Tim. So, well, yeah, that is all about the application. Kunal, do you want to add something else to the
Uh,
application?
yeah, yeah. So this is so this is the main purpose of our application. When the user wants to buy a tickets as a guest user, he can buy a tickets as a guest, or if he wanted to uh, create a profile, then he can also create a profile and buy tickets, or he can look at the iPark information uh, and other things.
Yeah, that is all about the application. Thank you.
Thank you.